Hello everyone, welcome to another laptop related video. In this video, I will play around a Dell laptop uh, which is Dell Inspiron 13. It is 7000 series and 2-in-1. That means it's a touch screen laptop. Okay, uh, let's check the model number of the laptop. Yes, I hope you can see clearly. The model number of this Dell laptop is P91G. This laptop has a built-in 256 GB M2 SSD. What I will do in this video, I will open the case of this laptop and install a 512 GB SSD, which I bought from Crucial brand, a brand by Micron, and the model number of the SSD is P3. It is PCI Express 3.0 compatible M2 and the size is 2280. Let's open the laptop first. To open the laptop, you only need a Phillips screwdriver. The screwdriver is PH000. You only need this tool to open the laptop. Okay, let's unscrew all the screws first. As this is a touchscreen laptop, you have to be extra careful when removing the screws and try to open the back part. The screws are quite long. Okay, I think this screw is problematic. Okay, after quite a bit of studying, I found that these three screws sometimes may get stuck. What we should do is unscrew these three properly, then slide your hand here and pull the plate up. You can see that the screws are in place, but the back plate is removed. Okay, here is the laptop. Okay, this has two SSD slot, SSD 1, SSD 2. I think the RAM is embedded. This is the battery, cooling fan. So as you can see, installing a new big M2 SSD in this Dell laptop can be seen quite tricky first, but it's not like that. You have to just change the adapter's position and inverse it. Okay, before trying to install it, I can clean the laptop quite a bit. You know, dust is the biggest enemy of any electronic device, and over time this can reduce the performance of your device. There is no option to change RAM or upgrade RAM in this laptop. The RAM chips are soldered in. Now I am installing my new SSD. Okay, this is now inserted. Let's screw it. And fortunately you can plug the old SSD in this slot. All you need a screw. Okay, so that is a wonderful benefit. You can have two SSD, both M2, in the Dell 2-in-1 touchscreen 7000 series laptop. Everything is done.